Hey guys, welcome to CADNest. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about how to place doors, windows and customized opening. For that I am going to open the Revit architecture software. See, the plan is already done. In that have any doubts means you can check it my previous videos. So let's start. Go to architectural. See, here we have door tab. That is shortcut as DR. Select the door. Here we have some single flushed doors. Just select placed automatically. Just click somewhere. Okay na? See, if you need approximately, for example, I need frame to that direction, opposite directions, just select and click this arrow mark. See, the frame will be changing now. Then if you need open type at the outer side means you can click that arrow mark. Okay na? This is the editing, or else you need to change any dimensions like width and height means you can go directly here, properties under edit, and then here we have height option, that is in 6 feet 8 inches. For example, I will go to 7 feet, and then go to width, that is 3 feet, I will go to 2 feet 6 inches. Apply. See, where doors is placed over here. Okay na? See, that is just like a simple single flushed doors. If you need any like different shapes means, for that time you can go here, select the doors. After that, load family. You need load family you have means you can select that, or Revit City website and download the different types of doors. See here, select the door. For example, I will select this one, then open. It will take some time. Then place it. Okay na? Then for example, you need any customized opening means, for that go to 3D view. For example, this is my dining entrance. Select this. Here we have edit profile option. Then go to the view. I just select the line from here to here like this. Then I just select this portion and draw mirror axis. I just draw the line over here. Then select the split option, split the element. I split it over here. Then trim corner, select this wall and this one and this one. Then give the finish. Tilt it around. See, our opening is ready. Okay na? See, I'll show you in realistic view. I think now you know how to placing the doors and how to edit the customized door opening. Okay na? So next move on to the windows. For that I am going to level 1. I just select the windows, that is shortcut as WN. Here we have some single flushed windows. Select this and place it over wherever you need, there you can place. Okay na? Or else you need any customized door windows means, for that you can go to select the load family option, and where you are saved your families you can go to select that files. Here I am saved here at the library. In under I am going to select the windows. See, different types of windows are there. Select the windows and open. then place. Where you need, you can place there. Okay na? So then go to 3D view. I'll show you that windows. See, this is your windows and doors. For example, I need to resize this windows means. For that, so select the windows and go to edit option. Here you just click duplicate. I just rename as something window. Then okay. Here total height is, I would like to change 7 feet. And width is 2 feet. And here sill height also 2 feet. Then okay. See, it is completely changing. Here also I am going to re-edit 2 feet. Then apply. See, little bit I can tilt here. It is changed. Select. I just go to 1 feet. Apply. Then little bit I need to move over here. See, or else I need to 0 feet. Means you can edit here 0 feet. Apply. See, just I will show you in realistic view. Like this we need to edit. Okay, now this is the editing procedure. I think now you know how to edit the windows and doors. For example, here is one window is there. I need to convert this into ventilator. For that same procedure, edit, duplicate, then okay. Height is 2 feet and the width also 2 feet. Okay, and then the sill height is 7 feet. Apply. So this is the ventilator. I think now you know how to apply the doors and windows and customized door opening and ventilator. This is the procedure to create door openings, doors, windows and ventilator. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.